Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today, we're going to figure out how do I get the drawer and slider shelf out of my Frigidaire French door refrigerator. There are two ways of doing it. Okay, one, you see how it's under here and under here? Okay, you want to pull it over and you want to pop it up. It's meant to do that. Okay, it's kind of a little bit of pain, but it does work. Okay. And it pops right out. Oh, come on, get out of there. Okay, and this will pop right out. And putting this back in, same basic easy. Take your time. Okay, line it up. Okay, pop it in. Pop it in. Pop it in. Pop it in. And it sets back where it goes. Okay, now we've already gone over how to take the top off. Now we're going to figure out how to take the bottom drawer out. Now, you see this clip here and that clip there, that would actually hold this in because I can't get this to move without that. You take your flathead screwdriver and you gently run it in. You see how it comes out and it pops right out. But you want to get it in there and just run it out and it comes out. Now, can I take it out without taking the top out? We're going to figure that out right now. Okay. We can do it just like this and it will come out. Now if the top's out, it's a little easier, but you don't have to, okay, if you want to take the bottom out. But that's how the bottom comes out also. Okay, and to put it back in, okay, and work it, you set it, and when you want to make sure you're back in square, okay, and see here are your two holes, and they only go in one way. You see that little notch right here? That goes up there. So you can't put it in the wrong direction. Well, you can, but you don't want to. Push it back in. You go to the other side. And you push it back in. And the bottom has been in and out. Okay? So like I said, don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. And come back some more for some wonderful information. Have a good day.